Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are talking about parts washers. A lot of times in mechanic shops, in order to clean up a part and to make it perform better, they're needing to remove grease and grime, oils, different things along those lines. So we have a full line of hydroblast equipment. We call it a hydroblast because it uses heat, it uses high pressure. On our normal hydroblast, you're looking at between 1500 and 1700 PSI, as well as a heater that's going to help melt away all of that grease and grime or any of those contaminants. So the hydroblast cabinets that we manufacture have the 2-foot LED light bars inside, so the lighting is going to be exceptional. They are also equipped with wipers, so keeping the visual capabilities inside the cabinet is going to be exceptional. It's going to be very effective. Again, the heater, it does make this cabinet a 220 60 hertz, so let's make sure it's a single phase, but let's make sure that we have the right type of electrical outlet. With the heater, it's going to heat up to, I believe it's 117 degrees, which gets you, again, melting away all of the oils, the grease, the grime, and making your process a lot cleaner and a lot faster. The heat also helps when you're drying the part off. They have the heat dryer hose inside, so you can dry the part while you're inside the cabinet. In addition to our normal lineup of hydroblast equipment, we also have the Hydroblast Max, which is going to increase that PSI cleaning process up to 4,000 PSI. In addition, we also have automatic parts washers. We're here to find the solution that works best for your shop. So whether you are cleaning mechanical parts, removing grease, grime, if you are doing vapor honing, if you are doing sandblasting, we have your solution. We are here to help you, and this is the only reason we exist, is to find you a solution. So please give us a call if you have any questions, if we can do sample parts for you, if we can give you any kind of time study, testing, surface roughness. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.